Hi guys, Dave Wilding for Puzzles. I've just cleaned out this IM350 that was playing up. Cleaned all the paper out of the around the pin which was holding it out. Now I've tried different nails and see what happens. Well, there you go. They will work fine. So now I'll put in the customer's nails that he was using. Come on. Doo-doo-doo. Come on. So I will put in the customer's nails and see what happens. There you go, straight away. So it's down to the customer's nails that jammed, wedged in there again.